really pelting down here now. You can see Humphrey next to Gypsy there, and Henrietta enjoying the rain. Haggis isn't, no. Masuka likes it by the oil tank. Look at Gypsy, can you see her with her wings open? Look, she loves it. It is absolutely chucking it down. And she's having a whale of a time. That's Humphrey and Henrietta next to her enjoying it. Masuka at the end, hanging upside down. The others have took cover now. She'll take cover when she's had enough. Haggis never ever gets wet. He's in this end to the left of her as you're looking, and he's just hiding. It's raining that heavy now. My guts are starting to overflow if you can hear that.